What's up, guys? It's Lee and Marianne. We're on another adventure. Today we got something special planned. We're going to one of the coolest, most popular, I believe it's one of the oldest, but I'll fill you in later. It's one of the only ones in all of North Texas, a burger place. So this place is very, very popular. Lots of shows have gone there. We're going to check it out for ourselves today. And after that, we're going on a walking tour of historic downtown Rockwall, Texas. And we want to share it with you guys. We're taking you along with us. Let's go. So what happened? You had to get some cash.
Yes. Did you record me?
All right, guys, so we're at CVS right now, as you can see, because Keller's only accepts cash, but the cool part is nothing on the menu is over $5. So we're on our way back across the street to Keller's now. Wifey just ran into CVS to get some cash, and we're gonna see what this food is like. What's up, guys? So we're back. We're sitting here at Kellers, which I'm still excited. It's been a little while because this place, you just don't understand how busy this place is. We've seen cars coming and going. There are probably 60 cars out here right now surrounding this building. Car hops running in and out. Now, they must be doing something right for all of the articles. I mean, you can Google Kellers Drive-In in Dallas and you will find all sorts of articles on Kellers Drive-In. They're doing something right for everybody to keep coming. Food shows have been here. Tons of YouTubers, not just us, but others have come here to review. The only thing that I can see that may be it's minute issue is it takes a little while for the food to come out, but everybody says this is the place that you have to be to have a good burger. At one point in time, this place was voted the best burger in the entire United States. So it's 2020. This place was 50 years old in 2015. So we're at a 55-year-old establishment. 55 years of making hamburgers and constantly pumping out goodness. I'm excited to let you know what our burger tastes like. So anyway, it'll be here in a few and we'll be right back with you. All right, guys, so we got started on the food as soon as it came. Check this out. I don't know if you can see that. That's a good burger. Let me taste that.
I just said I wanted to share. You asked when the camera came on because you knew I wasn't going to.
Right. I had to wait till the camera turned on for my wife to share her onion rings. These are beer battered and they're really good. Really good onion rings. Making a mess in the car. So what I like about the onion rings is
You're not going to get any more?
the batter doesn't overpower the onion. And the onion aren't those sneaky little hot ones that they somehow come up with, but that was a fry. And it seems beer battered as well. Pretty good fries. I see. I can see why they've been in business 55 years. Putting out some good product. How's yours, Terry? I guess that's how good it is. We're gonna finish this up and move on to the next part of the adventure. But if you're in Dallas, do not miss Keller's Burger. Keller's Drive-In. The Drive-In. I'm not sure about the Keller's Burger. There are 2 drive-in locations, one in Fort Worth, one here in Dallas. And then there's a Kellers Hamburgers somewhere in Dallas. I'm not sure of it, but I know about the Keller's Drive-In on Northwest Highway is really, really good.